Hey lippy lovers, welcome back to my channel. We have so many new subscribers. Thank you guys for joining us and thanks for being part of the Lippy Lovers fam. My name is Victoria and today we are talking about 3 new lip glosses that released about a week ago. I've been so swamped because we've had so many new products for me to talk about that I haven't even had time to film a first impression of them yet. So here we go. The Gloss Jellies Collection is 3 super pigmented, gorgeous glosses, and they are like fruit themed, like jelly. Get it? Let me know in the comments below if you are a lip gloss kind of gal. I know the matte thing was in for a really long time. Now I think glosses are starting to come back. We're seeing major brands releasing lip gloss lines, like Jeffree Star just released an incredible line of glosses. So I think glosses are back. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video so you can see who my viewer of the week is. Now remember, I post 2 times a week, so don't miss out. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and tap that bell so you get notified of all my new videos. So recently, about 2 or 3 months ago, we had Papaya Gloss come out. It was the first time we had a gloss without any glitter, but lots of color. That one was so popular that I think they decided to release more pigmented glosses without any glitter or shimmer in them. Now, the 3 shades in the Gloss Jellies collection are Grape, Juicy Cherry, and Pink Strawberry. These are all available individually, but they're also available as a collection, and these guys literally sold out in like a couple hours. So I still have a few sets left. If you've got your eye on one, let me know. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys what they look like on bare lips and giving you guys my 100% honest first impression. Even though I retail these products, I am all about honesty. My entire business is built on honesty. So you guys can always trust me to give you my 100% honest opinion on new products. If you guys haven't seen it yet, be sure to check out my first impression of the Rainbow collection, which is super fun. You guys will have to go watch to see what I thought of that one. But for now, keep watching to see my first impression of the Gloss Jellies collection. So like I said in my intro, these 3 glosses are really a new thing for Senegence. We really haven't had any glosses that are pure color without a bunch of like glitter or shimmer. We do have Bougainvillea. Rose has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but not like, it's just not as clear as these, and it's not as pigmented. So this is the first time we've really had the pigment and the glassy look that is so in with gloss right now. Glossy lips are super in year round because you can just throw it on and walk out the door. People keep asking me, is this gonna last the same way LipSense does? What I noticed in Papaya is the color does tend to stick around a little bit even after the gloss is absorbed in your lips, right? We know that LipSense glosses are shea butter based and they're not wax based like most of the glosses out there. They don't take off your LipSense like a lot of glosses will. 2, they provide moisture that actually goes into your skin and moisturizes from the inside out rather than just sitting on top and that waxy, sticky feeling of a lip gloss. So I'm excited to see if these hold true to the moisturization and the formula of the original glosses. You will notice that this whole collection does come in the new gloss packaging, so that's super exciting. I love seeing the new logo starting to appear. It's like a fresh start. Which one should I try first? I'm gonna ask my Insta story. Please hold. Those of you that follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you guys know that I give sneak peeks to behind the scenes of what's going on my YouTube channel. I think I'm gonna start with the Pink Strawberry. I think I'm most excited about this one. I like pink, so I mean, can you blame me? Look how cute it is. Let's do this. So I recently just exfoliated my lips with Lip Smooths and anti-aging lip scrub. I'm gonna be sending out samples of Lip Smooth when you purchase any gloss from this collection. Anyone who gets this full collection is gonna get a bonus gift from me and free shipping. Text order to the number down below in the description to get your set. They can also be ordered individually, but then you won't get the bonus gift and the free bag. Now, it doesn't smell like, I feel like if I have a strawberry gloss, I want it to smell like strawberries, but it just kind of smells like nothing. So don't get excited. Doesn't smell like anything. Okay, here we go. Oh, guys, look how pigmented that is. Holy crap. So no lip gloss, the Pink Strawberry gloss. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. So the great thing about these glosses is they do give you a lot of color by themselves, but you can also layer this over any LipSense color. So if you have something that you want to add more pink to, throw on some Pink Strawberry. Oh, I love this. I think when you see it in the tube, you're like, oh my gosh, is it gonna be like neon pink? But I think it mixes with your lip color like really well. I love this. I love this color. Wow. I was honestly not expecting to like it this much. This is something I can definitely see myself wearing every day. I don't feel like this is too bold of a pink. I'm excited to try this over LipSense colors now though, I will say. What colors do you guys wanna see me layer this with? I'm gonna throw some on my Instagram story for you guys. Okay, that was starting it off with a bang. Let me show you guys a close up. The great thing about this first impression is I don't have to remove LipSense 3 times. Honestly, I'm loving that. Okay, let me take this off. I just love how moisturized my lips feel after I have our gloss on. It's like the best feeling. Okay, next, I'm gonna show you guys Grape Gloss. It does make me sad that the cute little logo, you can barely see it. Okay, here we go with Grape. Oh, that is very purple. Don't get outside the lines with this one, you guys. I thought that I was gonna like this one the least, but the longer I'm having it on, the less it feels like super bright purple, and the more it just feels like it's like mixing with my natural lip color, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think this is objectionably purple on. What do you guys think? I would love to see this layered with some pink LipSense colors. I'm even just liking it by itself though. I really thought this was gonna be like my least favorite, but I don't hate it. I definitely don't hate it. This is a great way, I think, for people to wear purple that maybe you're scared of like Violet Volt or a really bold purple shade, or like lilac lacquer. Like this is almost like lilac, but like sheer. It's growing on me the longer I have it on. What do you guys think? I'll show you a close up. To be 100% honest, I really didn't think I was gonna like this one that much. I thought this would be the least wearable, but I'm actually really digging this. Especially I think when fall rolls around, this is gonna be a really popular way to wear like a mauve lip without wearing like a super bold purple shade. I can see this being cute for like summer concerts. Yeah, or like even the pool. I really like this shade actually, you guys. I'm not shocked because I normally like bold things, but I was thinking that this wasn't gonna be as like wearable as the other ones. This one gets a stamp of approval as well. This one gets my stamp of approval. Okay, let's move on to our last shade, Juicy Cherry. This one I'm guessing is probably gonna be my favorite because I like red a lot, but I don't know, the grape is really growing on me. I'm really surprised. Okay. Here we go with Juicy Cherry. I don't know why, I just love the way the logo looks against the red. I think it's super pretty. Here we go. Oh, that's very red. Wow. Oh my gosh. I already want to throw this on top of like Fly Girl or Blue Red for just like a super like great deep glossy red look. Like I'm excited for it already. Whoa, okay. I mean, this actually probably is my favorite. Let me show you guys a close-up. It's so pretty. And one thing I will say, after recently trying the tinted balms, the glosses have like more of a gloss look to them. The balms are more of a like stain look. Does that make sense, guys? This like has a sheen of a gloss. Okay, I think this one is the winner. What do you guys think? I love how this looks. And I love that it's not like sticky feeling, like it feels so soft. They all smell like nothing. I wish they smelled like fruit, that would be fun. I'm all about this look. I love this. I can see myself wearing this gloss any day of the week, year round. I am gonna be these are limited edition and honestly I'm so sad right now. Like, I think I need to save some for myself. Like, Y'all, what do you guys think? I need to hear in the comments which color from the collection was your favorite. I think I have to go with Juicy Cherry. Honestly, I really liked all of them. That's a really hard decision for you guys to force me to make. I don't think I could decide. They really are amazing. I was like kind of worried that I wouldn't like the grape, but I actually really like all of them. I don't think I can rank these, you guys. I just can't do it. Okay guys, there you have it. That is my honest first impression of the Jelly Glosses collection. the Gloss Jellies Collection. I don't remember exactly how you're supposed to say it. That's fine. These are 3 limited edition shades. These have already gone fast. They've already sold out online. And you get the free bag when you get the collection set, free shipping, and a bonus gift from moi. They're all available to purchase individually as well if you don't feel like you need all 3, but trust me, you need all 3. Come on, girl. If you guys aren't on my VIP customer list yet, be sure to text VIP to the number in the description. That's where all my sales, new products, special deals, and all that good stuff go to. They get to know first. If we haven't connected on Instagram and Facebook yet, be sure to follow me on there because I do live videos and makeup tutorials on there as well. It's that time of the video. I'm gonna be announcing our viewer of the week, so you guys know how to be selected, right? Right? All you have to do is leave a comment below so that I know you watched, and then I pick a random viewer for a shout out at the end to say thank you for being amazing. And the viewer of the week this week is... Hey girl, hey! Thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. Make sure you guys show her some love in the comments below and give her a subscribe. Don't forget to comment so you guys have a chance to be selected as the viewer of the week as well. I feel like I should make it like viewers of the week because I post twice a week. So, but viewer of the week works, right? It still works, right? Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to tap that red subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and give me a big thumbs up because it'll help more people see my videos. And it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to give me a thumbs up. Come on. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts.